Good day everyone. Subukan nating sagutan yung problem na ito involving simple and compound interest. Two lending institutions offer a loan package to the employees. Company A offers the employees to borrow money amounting to 40,000 pesos and payable in 5 years. So, ang utangin nila ay 40,000 at babayaran nila in 5 years at a simple interest rate at 2% per annum, while Company B offers 2% compounded annually. Okay? So, meron tayong dalawang companies, Company A and Company B. The same yung principal amount, the same yung term, the same yung percent. Magkaiba nga lang sila kasi yung isa ay simple interest, yung isa ay compound interest. Suppose you are one of the employees to borrow money from the lending institutions. Which company is your choice? Okay, justify your decision by showing your solutions. Okay, so first step, alamin muna natin yung important data dito sa problem. Yung principal amount is this one. Okay, that's 40,000 pesos. Next, 5 years. Okay, that is the time or term. So, no need to convert kasi naka-year na siya. Then, yung rate natin ay 2%. Okay. Now, remember, 2% pag kinonvert natin sa decimal is 0.02. Kasi nag-move lang tayo ng dalawang decimal places to the left. Okay, so that's how to convert percent to decimal. So, let's solve this one. So, paano natin isosolve? Kailangan isolve natin siya using simple interest. Then, isolve din natin yung company B, yung compound interest naman. Okay, so let's start with simple interest. So the formula to find the simple interest is principal times rate times time. So S, ibig sabihin simple interest yan, simple. So what is our principal amount? That's 40,000 times yung rate natin is 2% or again, this is equal to 0.02. So, kailangan nasa decimal siya. Then, yung time, 5 years. No need to convert kasi naka-year na siya. If you multiply all these numbers, ang magiging sagot dyan ay 4,000 pesos. Okay? So, the simple interest or for company A, yung interest sa uutangin mo ay 4,000 pesos. So, lahat ang babayaran mo ay 44,000 pesos. Yan yung future value. Now, alamin natin, magkano naman ang tubo sa company B, sa compound interest. Or ito yung sa company B. So, syempre, pipiliin natin kung sino yung company na may mababa ang tubo o interest. Now, sa compound interest, I think isolve muna natin yung future value using this formula. Pag sinabing future value, ito yung amount na babayaran mo kasama yung principal amount na 40,000 plus yung iyong tubo. Okay, so our principal amount is 40,000. 1 plus yung rate natin ay 0.02. Then yung time is 5. Then, copy 40,000. Then, you add this one, 1.02. Kasi unahin muna natin yung parenthesis, And after this, wag mo munang i-multiply itong 40,000 at 1.02. You have to simplify itong 1.02 to the 5th power. Okay? Or ibig sabihin, 1.02 times 1.02 times 1.02, ita-times mo yung 1.02, 5 pesos. Pag nakuha mo yung sagot niya, saka mo ngayon ita-times sa 40,000. PEMDAS tayo. So, pag na-multiply mo na yan, ang magiging sagot dyan ay 44,000 163.23 pesos. That's the future value or the maturity value. Ibig sabihin, ito yung babayaran ng mangungutang kasama yung kanyang principal amount. So, magkano yung kanyang interest, no? Yung compound interest? Edi yung future value minus yung principal amount. So, ilan yung future value natin? That's 44,163.23 minus yung principal amount na 40,000. So, malalaman natin ngayon kung magkano ang tubo niya. So, that is, lagay muna natin dito, 4,163.23 pesos. So, this is the interest for company B. So, ano ang pipiliin mo? Company A na may interest na 40,000 or yung company B na may interest na 4,163.23? So, of course, gusto mo yung tubo na maliit. So, my choice is company A because it has lower interest. So, tatandaan yan, no? That's how to solve simple and compound interest. Thank you for watching this video.